This topic is about how to make decisions in your life. Because whenever it's time to take decisions about your life, we think I should take advice of someone. Is it someone or from everyone? If you want to small thing, we ask everyone, should I do this? Should it try? But why you are asking other people about your decision who is not knowing your project? They have no idea of what you are going to do. It means if you are wanting to start a business and you go to take advice, your neighbor or trusted people in family who is doing job, so they will tell you, no, business is too risky. Someone also do that and they get lost, they bankrupt, and your thought disappear. And they will say you do the safe job and enjoy life. So they will never understood what you are thinking and why you are doing and what strategies, whatever plan in your mind is. So ask that type of people who is also in your related field so you can get better advice. You will take suggestions, but final decision of always is yours. Okay, so remember this. If this video help you, so like, comment, and share. And if you want to detailed video of decision making, so comment down. I will make it.